Deliciously classic coffee cake recipes, bake with me. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat for you: traditional coffee cake recipes that are sure to warm your heart and make your taste buds sing. So let's roll up our sleeves, preheat that oven, and get ready to bake some heavenly coffee cakes together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes. Now, let's dive into these delightful coffee cake creations. Classic cinnamon streusel coffee cake. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the streusel, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with sour cream. Pour half of the batter into the baking dish and spread it evenly. For the streusel, combine brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon in a small bowl. Stir in melted butter until crumbly. Sprinkle half of the streusel over the batter in the dish. Add the remaining batter and top with the remaining streusel. Bake for 40–45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before serving. Enjoy with a steaming cup of coffee. Moist and nutty coffee cake with pecans. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 cup chopped pecans. For the glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons milk. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch round cake pan. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar until smooth and creamy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, and stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with sour cream. Fold in the chopped pecans into the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it evenly. Bake for 35–40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. For the glaze, mix powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled coffee cake. Slice and serve alongside your favorite coffee or tea. There you have it, 2 traditional coffee cake recipes that are guaranteed to become favorites in your household. These cakes are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or just as a delightful treat any time of the day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Happy baking and savor every bite of these scrumptious coffee cakes. See you in the next video. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.